Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Siti Nurmaya.
My name is Salah Febri.
My name is Sri Asti Kusmiati.
My name is Safika Nisa Azahra.
Hello everyone. We are going to explain about explanation text. Happy watching. Explanation text. Explanation text is a non-fiction text that is used to describe how or why things happen. It usually includes sequence of events and provide reason for process phenomenon. For example, rain.
Type of explanation text. Explanation texts are categorized according to the type of process they describe.
Sequential explanation. Explanation that describe natural and natural phenomena, for example like cycle.
Cause and effect explanation. Explanation text that link cause and effect and explaining how and why an event occurred. For example, volcanoes.
Sequential example. How do tadpoles grow? Frogs are cold-blooded amphibians. Amphibians are animals that can walk on land and swim in water. A mother frog lays about 4,000 eggs in a lake or pond. These eggs are very soft and honey-shell. After 3 to 6 weeks, tiny tadpoles emerge and swim around in order to find plants to feed on. The tadpoles still have gills so they can get out of the water. In time, the tadpoles start to grow legs. Firstly, the hind like a fish. The tadpoles start to look more like frogs, but are still a long way from full development. Then, the legs begin to develop and finally the front like a fish. This inspires the tadpoles to become more adventurous, catching many of them to be eaten by large fish and water insects.
After 3 months, the tadpole's legs are fully developed and the tadpoles can get out of the water and get food. Their tails shrink away and vanish. The frogs are fully grown. During winter, camp festivals and subway stations. On a purely practical level, if a city can provide NOG, homeless shelters, and other forms of affordable housing, the people who would otherwise sleep on the streets can sleep far more safely with a consistent roof over their heads. Social support services, whether they are funded publicly or privately, would be able to tackle many of the immediate and long-term challenges that face people experiencing homelessness. In addition to providing adequate and reliable shelter, services like drug counseling can address some of the factors that lead to homelessness.
The individual stories of each person going to homelessness will vary. What is often found, too, is that the homelessness came about because of a series of events. A person may unexpectedly lose their job, which may lead to family problems at home, which may lead to drug abuse as a coping mechanism, which may lead to further financial stress, and so on. Appropriate social service at any point in this process may be able to prevent homelessness from becoming this person's reality. The effects of homelessness are equally complex and can be mirror image of the root causes. Because the person is experiencing homelessness, this may put profound strain on personal relationship.
Drug abuse can become an issue, and the person seeks some way of coping with the pain and hardship of living on the streets. This led to a downward spiral that drives the person deeper and deeper into the depths of grieving, poverty, and isolation. The impact Instead, well beyond the individual too, as homelessness becomes an increasingly visible issue in a neighborhood. Home values came from middle and working class families may move out, providing a big opening for various forms of crime. Business may close as the area becomes too prone to theft and property crime. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.